Hello, my name is Hannah and I am the online training manager for Navitas Academy. Here at the Academy, we can meet all your food safety and health and safety in catering training needs. We offer a wide range of courses, including induction training, Level 2 and Level 3, food safety and health and safety, allergy awareness, first aid and many more. Not only can we provide generic e-learning courses, we also have the ability to tailor our courses and make them bespoke to your company requirements using your policies and procedures. The courses are delivered via our interactive Navitas Academy platform, which can be accessed from your desktop, tablet or mobile. Our courses are designed to be both engaging and entertaining, using interactive pods with the addition of games, case studies and supplementary external online content. If you're keen to find out more about us or to see if we can help you with your training needs, you can visit our website at www.navitas.eu.com or email us directly at academy@navitas.eu.com and request a demo. Thank you for watching.